How do Uilleann pipes compare to Scottish bagpipes? When you think of traditional music from Ireland and Scotland, the sound of bagpipes likely comes to mind. But did you know that Uilleann pipes and Scottish bagpipes are quite different? Let's break it down. First off, the sound. Uilleann pipes create a softer, sweeter tone. This makes them perfect for intimate settings like pubs or small gatherings. On the other hand, Scottish bagpipes are loud and powerful, designed to be heard over long distances during parades or outdoor events. Next, let's talk about how they get their air. Scottish bagpipes use a blowpipe, where the player blows air directly into the bag. This means the player's breath fills the bag. In contrast, Uilleann pipes use a set of bellows strapped around the waist and elbow. This allows the player to pump air into the bag without using their mouth, which helps keep the air drier and more stable. The way you play them is also different. Scottish bagpipes are typically played standing up, with the pipes held in front. Uilleann pipes are played sitting down, with the bag tucked under the elbow. This seated position gives players more control and allows for subtle expression in their music. Both instruments have drones, which produce a continuous sound. Scottish bagpipes usually have 3 drones that create a strong, bold sound. Uilleann pipes also have 3 drones, but they produce a more melodic and harmonically rich background. Plus, Uilleann pipes have a chanter that can play a wider range of notes and even allows for playing 2 notes at once, adding complexity to the melodies. Musically, Scottish bagpipes are often linked to martial and ceremonial music. They are popular at events like weddings and memorials. Uilleann pipes, however, are central to Irish traditional music, often accompanying dances and songs. Their softer tone blends beautifully with fiddles and flutes, creating a rich musical experience. When traveling in Ireland, hearing Uilleann pipes is a special treat. They are tied closely to Irish culture and heritage. Watching a Uilleann piper perform in a cozy pub or during a traditional music session gives you a unique taste of Irish music. The sound of the Uilleann pipes reflects the character of Irish traditions, making it a memorable experience. In summary, while both Uilleann pipes and Scottish bagpipes belong to the bagpipe family, they differ in sound, playing style, and cultural significance. Uilleann pipes are quieter and more suited for indoor music, while Scottish bagpipes are louder and often used in outdoor settings. Enjoying the Uilleann pipes while in Ireland offers a wonderful glimpse into the heart of Irish folk traditions.